Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to clear Google Wi-Fi Nest Router history. Unfortunately, there is no direct way to clear history in this router, but you still can do two things. The first one, open your Google Home application. First, make sure you're connected to the Google Nest network in your Wi-Fi settings. Then open Google Home application, switch to Devices tab at the bottom, select your router. Tap on the gear icon at the top right, then scroll down and factory reset your network. It erases all data from your router, but only from this router you've selected on the previous step. If you have few routers and you wish to reset the whole network, the entire network, tap on Network Settings over here, scroll all the way down and factory reset entire network. After this, you will have to set up your mesh system from scratch, and to simplify connection, I recommend you to write down the network name and password and use the same network name and password on new setup, so that your devices will not have to be reconnected because the network name and the password is the same. Another thing you can do is clear your Google activity log. To do this, open Gmail application and tap on your profile icon at the top right. Now tap on Google Account, and in Google Account on this toolbar select Data and Privacy, this one. Now scroll down to this section, History Settings, tap on Web and App Activity, and scroll down a little bit. You can turn off your activity tracking, by the way, and scroll all the way down and select Manage All Web and App Activity. Now scroll down once again. You can enable Auto Delete after the certain period of time. Disable activity over here and delete your existing activity records. To do this, tap on Delete and tap on Custom Range. Tap on the calendar icon and select the date from, let's say this date. Then tap somewhere else and select the date to, let's say, until 1st of April. Click Next. Select applications and services you wish to delete the activity data for, and click Next once again and confirm your action. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.